In previous video, we had differentiated the spot survey and previous survey, and what are the limitations of the previous survey that we are now well aware that since the vehicle have shifted from the place of accident to a nearby place of the insured convenient place, then metal of the vehicle might have removed or will have removed, and you cannot take photograph of the loaded metal of the vehicle which was loaded at the time of accident on the vehicle, and even we cannot take the tracing of the wheel scratches on road and conclude the approximate cause as a consistent. Logically, if we can convince oneself that this may be happen with the different external damage and internal damage of the vehicle, external damage of the road and third party properties, road scratches, trees, impact. That's all. In the next video, in this next topics, what is called direct damages, what is and indirect damages. The direct damages, the damages occurred due to direct impact. Indirect damages, the effect of direct impact. How will justify it? Let us check some photographs of the spot survey. As we have shown, on the damaged portion, the impact with the road, any stones on the roof carrier of this vehicle, on this rod, this portion, this is a direct contact damage, and due to pressing down of this portion have bent, means this damage have occurred not by the direct contact with the object, foreign object, road object. This portion were damaged as this portion go down, this corner a pulled inner side, and shearing, indirect shearing had taken place on this rod. Then we can say this is a direct damage, this is the indirect damage, this is the direct damage, this portion is indirect damage, like this. Let us mark it so that you can visually understand what is direct, what is indirect. So if I say this portion is direct damage, this portion is indirect damage, similarly and this portion is direct damage, this portion where mouse the cross mark is indirect damage, this portion is direct damage, this portion is indirect damage. Direct damage, the external impact directly on that portion, and indirect damage, due to the direct damage, it's pulled inward, and here is the indirect damage. This one is the what? Indirect damage. This portion where mouse is there, cross circle mouse is there, that is a damage of indirect. Okay, let us check what is the next point. Next point, photo presentation. That photo presentation should be sequential, and you can